In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to install Claude on Mac so you can start using AI on your computer. First, open the browser on your Mac and go to the official Claude website. Once you are on the website, sign into your account or create a free account using your email or Google account. Currently, Claude mainly works through the browser, so in most cases you do not need to install any software on your Mac. You can simply access the website, log in, and start using it directly from the page. If you want faster access, you can bookmark the site or create a desktop shortcut. To do this in Safari or Chrome, open the browser menu and choose the option to add the page to your dock or create a shortcut. This way, Claude will be accessible like an app on your Mac. After that, whenever you want to use Claude, just open the shortcut and start typing your requests. You can use Claude for coding, writing, answering questions, or building projects. And that's it. Now you know how to use Claude on Mac quickly and easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.